Drive number 6 is superiority, keeping up with the Joneses and winning. Guess what? Luxury brands fall under this one too. Because for some people, you're not buying that car for you. You're buying that car for your neighbor across the street to show them that you can have that car. And the level of competition that's in there. So this is desire for social status and superiority. And depending on where you fall in terms of money in your bank account, this looks different. So sometimes it's the luxury vacation. Sometimes it's just having a nicer pair of shoes than the person standing next to you. It is what it is. And so this is the desire for more status in society, in your friend group. So luxury brands, fitness programs, self-help courses, improve your life. This is how to be a better marketer so that you can beat other people at marketing, so you can win in business. That's really what this is about. Sorry if my chair is a little bit noisy. And this fly really wants to be my co-host. And he's really flying in my face. And so like self-help courses can even fall under this drive. People buy it so that they can advance their life and be in a better place than when they are. And they can beat the people in front of them. And so also how they create exclusivity, handcrafted, rare. Some people buy things just based on the fact that not everybody has it. Collectors do this all the time. They collect things that are rare. And sometimes it's just for the fact to say, I have this thing that I've collected that not everybody has access to. But other people do it with accent pieces of furniture and stuff in their houses where, yeah, this is a rare piece. I had it custom made. The suit is custom. I had my tailor design this shirt. So stuff that's custom, one of a kind, unique. It can be under comfortable living, but it also can be, I have this, I can afford this, and you can't. Or I have this thing and it's so rare, there's only a few of them and I possess one of them and you don't. But it's also keeping up with the Joneses. They're the invisible competition of a striving middle class.